I've got a real quick project that's super practical that you may be interested in. It's a can rotator. Let me show you how it works. This is for your pantry, and it stores a tremendous amount of cans in a very small area. And best of all, it has you using the oldest cans first. Let me just show you. Out of the bottom shelf, grab your can, that's the one we're going to use. When you go to the store, put them in the top. And it works super well. Let me show you how I made this one. The reason why I'm not giving you dimensions are every person's going to have a different shelving unit or depth of cabinet. So the first thing you have to do is measure how deep you need to go with yours. And that's your partition length. The second thing that you need to know is the size of the cans that you're going to be using. For example, vegetable cans are pretty much this size. All right? But you can also buy those institutional ones that are larger. This system will work with that. Baked beans are a different size can, and soups are a different size can. So get out of your pantry the ones that you're going to be using a rotator on and design it specifically for those type of cans. And I'll give you an example of what I did here. Using ledger strips, and what that allows, instead of having full shelving, I can reach my hand in and correct something if something goes amiss inside of it without trying to tip it or anything of that nature. But what we want to do, once we've established the depth of our cabinet, is make an incline with a ledger so that at the end it allows the can to easily fall down to the next shelving unit. Okay. I also cut a slight angle on the back of this, as you'll see here, and that allows the can to hit the back wall and then roll to the front of the cabinet. It's really simple, fun, and inexpensive. Go ahead and make one for yourself, and I'll catch you on the next video.